Kia ora. In the Bachelor of Social Services degree, we build on the skills of social justice and ethics and te ao Māori, so that when students move into years 2 and 3, they're able to focus completely on their careers in counselling and health and wellbeing.
I chose the health and wellbeing pathway because I'd like to work with young adults through a mental health support service and provide care to those who need it. I'm particularly interested in helping those in distress re-establish agency or control in their lives. This is a deeply reflective course, and I've noticed growth in myself and my peers studying with me. It's been really rewarding getting to witness this.
I chose counselling because of my curiosity about what and who people are, their whys, their hows and their journeys. I'm filling up my kite, together with my empathy and curiosity and aroha, to gain the knowledge that I need to support my community. The best thing about studying at OP is the manakitanga, the whakawhanaungatanga and the tautoko our kaiako bring to the lectures.
In the Bachelor of Social Services, we focus on personal awareness, and we really look at identity, who we are and how we work with others that are different from ourselves. It's about self-development and learning how to listen so that we can hear what people are saying. This course is really about social justice and about being the change that we want to see in the world so that we can awhi and tautoko others who need it.